All right, so just applied my collagen lip plumper. So we'll get the lips started, and then I want to see how quickly we can do face makeup. So just my face. I already did my eyes. Isn't that some fun colors with a blue and white shirt? So of course I'll be a little matchy with my blush. I'll use nude and a little Sunshine State over it. So let's get this started. So I'm just dipping my brush just a couple dabs into my cream foundation, and then I just work the product. And you'll see I don't really cover my cheeks too much because I'm going to be putting my contour there in this area. So there really isn't a point for me to place a bunch of product there and then to just go over it again. So I kind of go between like little swirls and then some stippling. Same with my forehead, because I'm using contour. I am not going to be adding coverage there. So you can see how bronzed, you know, the forehead looks, like where it sees the sun. That's exactly where you want to place your contour. And just swirling that, giving it a good blend in there. And then I always tend to go in back just to keep like this area brightened. If you get a little low on your contour, look at the lips, how full of color they're getting. Now I'm going to go and just add the contour right to that cheek. You can see how it adds that dimension. So this is the blend brush. This is my favorite blush for contour. It just kind of does the work. So I know it looks a little crazy, but once you get your blush and everything all put together, it looks completely different. I personally like to contour my lips. Helps them make them look even more plump than they already are from the contour, or excuse me, the lip plumper. And then I do 2 small lines on the nose with just a little bit more highlight down the middle and a little soft tap blend. So this, no joke, is like 5-minute makeup. I even took the first 45 seconds of the video talking. Now I'm going to go in. I have two of the same brushes. One is for blush and bronzer, and then the other is for my highlight and powder. So you can see when you work in the blush, it really softens, you know, like that contour line doesn't look nearly as intense. And then for a little bit of shimmer in the blush, I'm going to use my Sunshine State. So that's just gonna give me a really dewy blush look. I'm gonna go in, since I have some white sparkle, I'm gonna go in with my Pearl Illuminator and just follow that cheekbone there. And then I accentuate my Cupid's bow. Then we're going to use the Vanilla Dust setting powder, and I just set on my nose, my chin, and just a little on my forehead and on that jawline. So basically where I put the highlight. And that's it. Full face, 5 minutes. If you want, you can top it off with a little lip color. And there you have it. So hopefully that just shows you how easily you can apply cream foundation. You can have a really nice subtle look, but yet it is absolutely still beautiful and it enhances your features. So have a good day.